my couponing friends, Blowin coupons here with this week's top CVS pickup alerts for May 24th through May 30th. If you're trying to stock up while spending less, these are the deals you need loaded before you walk into the store. Make sure to grab the full deals list in my pinned comments and stay tuned to see how my couponing haul went. First up, the P&G Household Bundle. Grab one Charmin 9-count, one Dawn PowerSuds 17.4-ounce, and one Bounty 2-count pack. Your total comes to around $30 before coupons. Then send these digitals to your card. $2 off Charmin, $2 off Dawn, and $1 off Bounty. CVS is giving back $10 in extra bucks when you spend $30 on participating household products, bringing your final cost down to around $15 for everything. That's the kind of deal that keeps your essentials stocked without draining your wallet. Next deal. All laundry detergent. Pick up 2 all free and clear 30-ounce bottles. CVS is offering a $3 extra bucks reward when you buy 2. After rewards, your total drops to around $3.58. Here's the stack move. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for an additional $2 back per bottle. That's how you turn a regular detergent run into a serious savings win. Now let's talk beauty deals. Grab 2 Maybelline Expert Wear Eyeshadows priced around $4.79 each. Use the $3 digital coupon in the CVS app, then trigger the buy 2 get $5 extra bucks promotion. Your final cost ends up around $1.58 total, less than $1 per shadow. That's nearly free makeup with rewards roll back into your next transaction. Quick bonus deals before you check out. 2 Softsoap antibacterial hand soaps, around $4.23 after promos. 2 Nivea Men body washes, about $6.98 total. If you want the exact coupon breakdowns, rebate apps, and transaction order, check the pinned comments now and send every coupon to card before heading out. Follow Blowin coupons for weekly coupon strategy, digital deal breakdowns, and shelf stock savings made simple.